Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to install WSL2 on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So I will show you guys step by step how to install WSL2. So for that you just need to right click on your start menu first and go to settings option. After open settings window, simply click on system from your left side over here. On your right side, scroll down a little bit and you will get optional features over here. If you are unable to find optional features, you can easily search over here optional features. Okay, and after that you just need to click on optional features, and after open optional features you just need to scroll down a little bit and you will get an option called more Windows features. So click on that, and after that here on this window you just need to enable few things, which is firstly Windows Subsystem for Linux, which is already checked in my case, and virtual machine platform, Windows hypervisor platform. So you just need to enable these three options, and after that click on OK. Once it will done, you just need to restart your PC after this process install. So you just need to click on restart now. After restart your PC, you just need to right click on your start menu icon and click on terminal admin. Now click on yes, and it will open terminal on your PC. Now type the command is called WSL space minus set minus default minus version space 2. So don't worry with that. I will give you all this command to my video description. After that press enter. So now as you can see it's showing like operation completed successfully. Now if you want to see list of online operating system, you just need to type WSL space minus list space minus online, and if you'll press enter you will see all the Linux version which is showing on your left side over here and friendly name. And if you want to install any of these OS, you just need to type this command, which is WSL install -d. Then you can choose any name from here, like I will install Kali Linux, so I will type Kali Linux, and after that press enter. Now it will take some time. As you can see it is installing, so you have to wait for a few seconds. After installation done, you just need to right click on your start menu icon and click on terminal admin. Now click on yes. Now here you just need to put some command, which is WSL space minus update, and press enter. Now it will take some time. So here you just need to click on yes, and you have to wait for a few seconds. Now after installation done, you just need to go to your start menu and search Kali Linux and open Kali Linux. Now put your Kali Linux username. In my case I am putting Technology. Now press enter. Now set the new password for your Kali Linux and enter. Then retype your password and enter. And as you can see, here is the Kali Linux console. So I hope this tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.